Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another Halloween makeup tutorial. So today I'm doing clown makeup. I'll insert a picture here. This is the inspo and I'm so excited. I had so much fun yesterday filming the tiger Halloween makeup. If you haven't seen that, go check it out on my channel. But yeah, now we're gonna do a clown makeup. This one seems a little challenging, but I'm excited to step out of my comfort zone and try something challenging. I love doing makeup and I love Halloween. You guys know that. I'm a big Halloween person all year round. I'm a spooky babe, so yeah, I'm so excited to start this video. Before we start, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing, guys? Go subscribe, please. We're almost at 100. Please and thank you. Yeah, give me a like, subscribe, grab something to eat, grab a drink, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Guys, I can't believe I did this. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do this. I'm literally in love with this. Oh my god. I still have to put lashes on and everything, but I love this. I love this. This is so good. This is good. So I'm gonna highlight now. Guys, I use the Fenty Beauty Sticks. I have the one Unicorn and Confetti. These are the perfect shades for this tutorial. So I'm gonna take Confetti and highlight my nose now. Actually, I'm gonna take Unicorn as well. It's more purpley. I'm gonna highlight my nose. Oh my god, this is so cute. We are almost there, guys. Okay, guys, so here is the final look. Y'all, I actually can't believe I did this. I didn't think I had it in me to do this because, especially with the star. So with the star, I just traced out a star, guys, and put it on my face. I put tape on the back of it just so I could draw a nice star because I was scared to freestyle it because I'm not that good at drawing stars. So I highly recommend doing that, guys. Just get like a stencil or cut out a star if you need help making the shape, because I for sure did. And I am really happy with how this came out. I think this ate, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy that I'm trying these new Halloween makeup looks. I've always wanted to do this, so I'm so happy I'm finally doing it. I put my hair in pigtails because I thought this would be so cute in pigtails. And like, I don't want to take this off. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but I really like it. I really like this, guys. I am so proud of myself. Here's a close-up. I can't believe I did this. I'm a doll. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I am so happy I did this. I freaking love it so very much. Yeah, I really love this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying these types of videos as much as I am, because I love Halloween. I say this all the time, but I'm such a Halloween girly, and doing these makeup looks make me so happy, and I hope you guys enjoy them. And leave me a comment what y'all are gonna be for Halloween this year. I'd love to know. And make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. We're almost there. And just thank you to everyone that is subscribing to me and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it, because I love making YouTube videos, and I hope to keep making them for a long time. So yeah, I just want to say happy Halloween, and stay spooky, my babes. Stay magical, stay weird, stay awesome, and just be you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.